So, so if you made a mistake, if you made a mistake in a spelling, so the best thing you can do is you can right click and you can select the word, correct word, and do it, right? So when you're doing a document, if you want to type something like, you know, our own names, probably Microsoft Word will pick as spelling errors. So those things also, what we can do is we can add to the dictionary, so it won't prompt these words again and again as a spelling errors, right? Then the other option we can do is, when everything is finished typing, we can go into review tab and click on a spelling and grammar, or I think the shortcut is F7, and start checking our spelling. So you can, there's options like if you want to use the whatever the spelling, you can just ignore it, use it sometime when you type a Sinhala name or Tamil or other name, it will prompt as a spelling error. So you can ignore, or you can either add to the dictionary. So you can ignore and go to, or you can, other option, if it's an English word, you can change it to the proper spelling. So when you're changing the spellings, it's very important you look at the meaning also. Now one one thing I noticed some time back ago in a publication, at the as a heading, it says it says message from let's say something like principal or something, principal, right? So now in this one, okay, the spelling is correct, but you know, it's not message, right? So it's massage, right? So you need to be very careful when you're doing the spelling changes. Like let's say you type it like this and then you go on to use the spell checker, and sometimes you can accidentally select the second one instead of first one, right? So like that, you, instead of message, you, but spelling is correct, but the meaning is not. So you need to be very careful. So the best policy is when you're typing, do the changes. And then like the word principal, I'm not sure whether this is the principal or this is the school principal or this is the fundamental. So I can right click and see which one is, right? So this is okay, right? So then the other principle is the fundamental is different spelling. So those are things also we can check it, right? So now things like things we are added to our custom dictionary, like let's say your street address. So let's say it's from Bauddha Lokamath or something, or it's a Dehiwala Road, then it will probably show as a, let's type Dehiwala. It will probably show as a spelling error, so you can add that one into the custom dictionary. But what happened, you know, somebody add some unnecessary words to custom dictionary, or you need to do some changes to custom dictionary, then what you do is you click on a file menu, go to the options and click on a proofing, and in this one there's option called custom dictionaries, and click on this one. You can click edit word list and you can find all the word list available, right? So which is available in the custom dictionary. Some of the things are not unnecessary list are there, but you know, the my names are all these things. Let's say somebody want to delete it, they can delete it, or if they want to add something, they can add it also from here. So this is available under file, options, and in that one proofing you can have it. Then in the review menu you can check for word count. You can get how many words there, right? So then there are some other things also there, we'll discuss later. Then there's another thing, the language you are using also you can change in here, same place. Now if I type something like this, and press enter. Now is this color is COLOR color is the which color we use a lot of time. Spellings we use a lot of time when you are doing coding, programming. So this is okay, but if you want to use the UK English, this is not correct, but it's not indicating. That's because this is correct in a according to the US English. So this English language, you can set it from here in the language preferences. You can click on set proofing language, and you can see at the moment it's set by English United States. So I can set it for English United Kingdom. So set as default and click say yes, click OK. Now you can say this is shown as a spelling error. So I can right click, I can fix it. So there are smaller mistakes on a different English. So so the most important thing is the best option checking the spelling is while you are typing. So as soon as it prompted it's underlined, you take the necessary action, you right click and select the correct spellings.